Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both accounts are ready. Sign into your Google Play account on the device and open Roblox. Once done, make sure the Roblox app is updated from Google Play so the linking option appears. Next, check device time and internet connectivity because mismatched time or offline status blocks account verification. Finally, confirm you're using the same Google account you want linked. This prevents accidental linking to a different account and saves time in the next steps. You now perform the core linking action inside Roblox. Go to Settings, then Account, then Linked Accounts and select Google Play. Follow the on-screen OAuth prompts. This authorizes Roblox to associate your Google Play purchases and identity. When prompted, pick the Google account you prepared earlier and accept the permission requests. If you see multiple accounts, pause and choose carefully. After granting access, Roblox will display a confirmation. Wait for that confirmation before navigating away so the link fully. You finish by verifying the connection. Return to account linked accounts and confirm Google Play shows as linked. If the link isn't visible, restart the Roblox app and your device, then sign in again. Transient tokens often refresh on reboot. If issues continue, clear the app cache or reinstall Roblox to remove corrupted session data. One key troubleshooting tip. If purchases or skins don't show after linking, capture a screenshot and timestamp. Then contact Roblox support with your Google Play receipt and the screenshot to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.